What would you do if you made $10,000 in a week of trading? I'm about to attempt to do exactly that and then give it all away on the beach of Paphos. If I fail, I'm gonna have to do a humiliation. So I ask you again, if you made $10,000, would you give it away or would you keep it a secret?
I was brought here by one of my co-workers. He's got this crazy idea, just giving out money on the beach to generate content. I was across the street over there, I was just getting some liquid courage, and now I got enough liquid courage, I'd sit down next to you and do an interview.
You were watching me just hand out money to people, hey? And then you wanted to get some money yourself.
Just watching the company money just going down the drain.
Oh yeah, the company money's completely going down the drain here. I'm about to take a massive risk and it could change everything. Over the past 3 weeks, I've given away $2,800 to random strangers on the streets, all from my trading profits. And I'm on a mission to give away $1 million by the end of the next 12 months. That means there's still $997,200 to go. So if my calculations are correct, that means at this rate, I need to slash my goal to a mere $50,000, which doesn't seem very good. That seems kind of like a failure, doesn't it? Or we need to scale this challenge up from giving away $1,000 a week to maybe $20,000. Now that's a 2,000% increase overnight, and I know this is unbelievable numbers and it's an insane challenge, but you know what? I'm obsessed with giving away the money I'm making from trading. Now, for any of this to happen, I need your help. Like and comment on this video right now so more people can be part of this journey. Now, back to that $20,000 commitment. So to hit that target, we're gonna have to bump up the account size. We've just added $1 million account. I'm going live right now. So I'm gonna break down some market analysis. We're gonna see if we make some money today because I only have a couple days left to trade. This is day 1 of week 4. So we still have one running. We closed out some couple trades in profit. Now this one was a mistake. I accidentally opened too early and we had to close it. So that one, hopefully we can just scratch that off, but unfortunately we can't. So we've entered a long here off of a daily level and hopefully that rallies up. So I'm actually gonna close the currently running trade because 4 hours about to close and we've made some solid profit on it. And after the 4 hour close, there's often a moment of retracement because we've had just printed new data and the 4 hours are really, really strong indication. So when I close this right here at another 900 profit, even though it's not quite there yet. Sweet, that's day 1. Finished with $2,500 on the day, despite accidentally making a mistake that cost me $1,300 as well. I just opened and closed the trade really high lots by mistake. So I would have done $3,800, but we're gonna call it fair is fair. And $2,500. So yesterday was a great trading day, but we have another one ahead of us here. Now the issue is I have to see the Colosseum because I am in Rome and this is my last day. So we are gonna go see the Colosseum. I don't know if I'm gonna make market open. It's gonna make it very challenging for the second day of this trading week because I'm gonna have to be trading midday. I've already told Stream that, hey, I'm gonna be late. I don't know what time I'm gonna be on, but I do need to do 1 hour every day that I trade. Tomorrow's a travel day, so that's not gonna work. So this might be my only opportunity to lock in some more profits. Guys, it blows my mind every single time that I get to travel to these really awesome destinations. It's all thanks to trading for a living and because of Maven. All of the things that we've worked for over the past 10 years has allowed me to travel to all these places. It's really, really great. Hopefully with the giveaways that we're doing here, we can inspire some people to get into trading as well with those accounts that I'm giving away every single week and the money that I'm giving away every single week. It blesses my heart that I'm able to inspire you guys at home so that hopefully one day you guys can make it here too and all other adventures that you decide to go on. That being said, I need to quickly get in, get out, get back home, make more money so that I can provide for you guys. And we made it back in time for just past market open. Now I'm 30 minutes late, but that's okay. There's a 4 hour close that just happens. There's gonna be a lot of volatility. Now, the issue is I've only made $2,500 and I'm shooting for $10,000 right now. So I need to make another $7,500 today and Friday because Thursday's out. Now my goal today is just make a little bit more profit. So Friday's gonna be a little bit easier because this is not my regular schedule. My feet are sore. I've been walking around all day, just had a terrible lunch because there are scammers in Rome that gave us fake truffles. You believe fake truffles? You guys already know though that Maven sponsors 100% of these videos and every single dollar and account dollar that gets made and spent is completely run by them. So my mission is to get them as well known as possible. Therefore, I need you to hit that like button and comment below so these videos go viral and I can continue scaling this account up. Otherwise, it's going to be impossible to give away $1 million in a year. That being said, we gotta start the live stream here. I'm literally, there's people waiting right now, so I have to start. Let's go. All right, YouTube. I see a short right now that needs to be taken. Literally exactly on that monthly level. We're coming back up, and it looks like market open, faked to the upside, and it's clear, very obviously going to be going short here today. So we're just gonna take a big ass short, I think, and see what happens. We're taking a 10 lot short. We're already 2,000 in profit. We might actually do this today. 7,500. I could literally do it like right now, and it'd do perfect timing. But I don't know. So we still need to play it slow. 7,500 is the goal in 2 days. I am currently trying to push for the 10K today. And I need $400 more. It's still going down, so I'm gonna let it run. I want the 10K in 2 hours. This was a 1 week long challenge, and I traded 2 hours total. And I want the 10K in 2 hours. And then the rest is gravy, baby. Go! Okay. Right now, it's gonna dump. Right now, let's go. Literally 400 more, let's go. It's literally gonna dump like in 5 seconds. This is so fun every single day. It's just being like a gambling addict. That's it, close enough. There we go, close enough. That's within $20. We closed it on the dot, basically. That's the challenge beat. Friday is glory day. And just like that, we made it the final day, and I'm in Cyprus. Look at this view. Now, this week couldn't have gotten better if I actually scripted it myself. We managed to lock in $10,000 in just 2 trading days. And to be real, I am absolutely exhausted. I've been traveling across Europe, and this is the final destination. For the next month, I'm gonna be trading from this mansion in Cyprus on top of Mount Olympus. So even though we have already locked in $10,000 for this week, today I need to be really careful because just one bad day could mess it up. We're basically guaranteed that we're gonna be doing a giveaway tomorrow, and I think I'm gonna be teaching people on the beach of Cyprus how to trade. I think that might be the plan. So the market's about to open. I'm gonna be really careful and just try to lock in a little bit more. But guys, there is one thing I forgot to tell you. I'm only allowed to give away 10% of my total profits on this $1 million account. Until this series gets the traction that it deserves, and you guys help me push the algorithm to more viewers, that means tomorrow I will be giving away 10% of whatever the total profit is of this week, which is hopefully over $10,000, which we're currently sitting at. So enough of that. Today is our glory day. Let's do a live stream, and then I'm jumping in that pool immediately after. All right, we are currently actually looking at the trade, and the level I wanted, it didn't go to. It did go in the right direction. We are waiting all day basically for that level, and it went all the way to the take profit I wanted, so I've decided just to not take the trade today. Some days, it's better to just literally wait. Now I am playing around with my personal account just to have some fun, but the challenge account I have to be very careful on. We've already hit our profit target, so we've decided that's it for the week. $10,000 profit in 2 days. All right, guys, every single video we do a free Maven challenge giveaway, 100K Maven challenge. What I do is, what you have to do first of all is you have to go and you have to take a screenshot of you watching the whole video and liking it, and then follow my Instagram, and I'm just gonna pick a random person here to win the giveaway and then give them a call. And let's see here. Cool. Watch yesterday's video. Perfect. I'm gonna give him a call, see if he answers. There he is, yeah. Congrats, man. You entered to win the 100K, right?
Thanks very much. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. You're gonna be on the next YouTube video too.
Okay, right. Thanks very much.
Okay, ciao. Simple as that. You just won $100,000 Maven challenge. All I had to do was hit the like button and then send me proof to my Instagram. All right, game day. We got cash in the pocket and we're on the beach here. We're gonna set up, we got literally chairs here so we can talk to people about trading, and I have a sign that I need to write on to say, ask me about trading, because I didn't know how else to talk to people. I want to do it a little bit differently this week than last week, than just cold approaching people. Couldn't find a Bristol board, so we're gonna put tape on a no parking sign and then write on top of it. Check, right? That's the station. Got the live stream going right here. We gotta wait until people show up now. All right, we gotta change the sign. It's been 15 minutes and everyone thinks I'm insane here. You're back. You're chat with me. Okay, I was just gonna change the sign to free money. Okay, how you doing, man? What's your name?
Good. My name is Alexander.
Alexander? I'm gonna put a microphone here. It's okay if you're on video?
Yeah.
Awesome. Alexander, what made you stop?
Just curious.
Yeah, just bored and curious?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. What do you do for work?
Don't work yet.
You don't work yet?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
Oh Jesus, man! Then you're right in time. You can start practicing. Have you ever heard about day trading? No. Do you know what it is? Like crypto?
It's like
Crypto, like
so
day.
you buy low, sell high.
Exactly. That's it. That's it. You got it, man. Did you say Alex?
Alexander, yeah.
Alexandre, here. Let me shoot you some cash for sitting down and talking with me. I'll shoot you €100. How about yeah? Here.
Sure.
1, 2.
Right now I'm aiming. My
3,
career is like motorcycling.
4,
I'm doing motorcycling
5.
now. So I have a jet ski job, and I'm actually saving up right
No
now.
way, bro. Well, hopefully that helps you, man. That's really cool. I would have offered you an account with us so you can start learning and practicing, but you're 15.
How's it going?
Alex, you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, his name was Alex too.
Hi, Alex.
Yeah.
How's it going? You alright?
Yeah.
What do you do for work?
I'm a pilot.
Oh man, you fly here? I guess how else would you get to an island, eh?
Yeah.
Do you know anything about trading?
I do a little bit, yeah.
Yeah. Tell me about your trading experience. Have you ever traded before?
I have, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Tell me about it. Was it good, bad?
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. What were you buying? You said you were doing long-term stuff.
Yeah. Nasdaq,
Nasdaq.
S&P.
Yeah.
Got a little bit of Nvidia back in the days.
Nice.
Microsoft, Amazon.
Okay, so you actually know what the hell we're talking about then, hey? How much did you invest?
I must be up to about 40,000.
40,000. Oh, awesome, dude. That's cool. Have you ever thought about day trading it or just invest?
Well, the reality is I don't have the time to be day trading.
Totally.
My wife, however, has been interested in doing it.
In day trading.
Yeah, and she did do a little bit in gold.
What I want to offer you is, do you have your phone with you? And I'm going to set you up with 2 accounts so you can day trade with us, and you can get actual profits withdrawn to your account or withdrawn to your bank account. And then of course, so I'm also going to throw you €100 here just for taking the time sitting with us, bro. And then shoot me a message on there, and I'm going to give you $200,000 accounts to trade with you and your wife, and you can practice day trading. Yeah, Alex, pleasure, man. Yeah, good luck. Shoot me a message, and I'll get you an account set up this evening. Okay?
Excellent, yeah.
Yeah, thanks, mate.
Time.
Ciao.
Bye-bye.
He doesn't have any questions.
No, yeah. So that's all I wanted to do is inspire you guys. I want to help fund you. I'm gonna give both of you, just because of your time. I'm gonna give you both $40 here. Here, there's 40 for you, and I'm gonna give 40 for your friend as well. Hey. Hey, cheers, guys. Thanks for your time, man. Arjan, Chris. Hey, nice to meet you guys. Hey, cheers. Yeah, ciao.
Ciao.
Fidel? Chris. Okay, so today we're talking about day trading, investing, crypto. Have you ever invested? Do you ever done crypto?
No, I didn't.
No. What do you know about it?
Yeah, it's just like gambling.
Is it gambling?
I feel like it's gambling.
It's the same as gambling to you. Why do you think it's like gambling? Because,
Just invest something, but you don't know if you're gonna lose it.
but okay, so here's the situation. What if I believe that Tesla is making really nice cars, so I invest in that? What is the difference between, gambling and then doing research and then buying because you believe it's going to go up because of what they're doing?
Still, if Tesla factory explodes or something,
Yeah.
all your money. is
Totally.
gone.
Totally. So maybe a good play might be don't put all your money in it, and maybe put like only 2%
Yeah.
into Tesla, 2% into another company, 2% into another company, and then across the board, if 3 or 4 of them blow up and Elon Musk shoots himself, right? then you're good to go, and you made money overall, right? There's your €100. Shoot me a message. It was a pleasure.
Okay.
Thank you so much. What's your name, bro?
Girmantas?
Girmontas. Chris, man. So have you ever done anything with crypto, day trading, or investing?
Yeah.
How was that experience?
It was quite interesting. I did it with XRP.
Yeah.
I bought it from when it cost 80 cents for 1 XRP.
That's so low.
Yeah.
Yeah. When did you buy that?
3 years ago, something like that. I don't know.
You still holding it?
Yeah, of course.
So I'm gonna shoot you €100. And then I also want you to message me on Instagram, and I'm gonna give you a free Maven account, okay? So you can start learning how to day trade as well.
Yeah.
And we teach you all on live stream for free how you can do it yourself, right? And then you can start practicing, and with that account, you actually can get paid. Hey, thanks guys. Thanks for sitting and chatting with me.
Thanks for
Yeah.
you.
Ciao,
Yeah.
ciao,
Yeah.
ciao. Vancouver. Let's chat. Have a seat. Let's have a seat.
Go. Oh,
Right, bro. What's your name?
I'm Theodoros.
Theros.
Yeah.
Oh, that's an awesome name, man. That's a
Thank
that's
you,
a
man.
powerful name.
Yeah, yeah.
So tell me, what have you done in terms of investing and day trading?
To be honest, I think that day trading is a bit gambling.
Yes.
I invest in future-proof stocks, and I don't invest for like 1 month. I invest for 1 year, 2 years, and then I take out my money. I prefer to invest in dividend stocks.
Yes.
So I can have some passive income, and that's all. Yeah, man.
Awesome.
I read some statements and financials, and I make my preferences on stocks. And sometimes I invest in ETFs on some options, you know.
Yeah, yeah. So, man,
It's nice, yeah.
I'm gonna give you some money for taking the time to talk with me today.
Thank you very much.
What I want you to do also is message me on Instagram. There's €100, bro. Yeah.
Thank
Pleasure.
you very much, bro.
Yeah, pleasure. What I want you to do, message me on Instagram as well. Dumb Money Hunter. Alex, I gotta give you the rest of this. I'm done now. That was the last one. I gotta give you the last 50 here. I'm gonna keep the 20 in. Nobody wants the 20.
Thank you.
Bro,
I'll message you on Instagram. It's the same account. Can I sit down for a second?
yeah, sit down for a moment
I'm
too.
not disturbing your meeting.
No. Dumb Money Hunter, shoot me a message. Hey, pleasure, bro. Pleasure.
you, bro, yeah.
Have a good day.
Have a nice day.
Yeah.
I'll sit down.
When will we be here next time? They're asking. It's my friends.
I do next week maybe, but it's random. I'm traveling around, so I probably won't be in this spot. Hey, bro. Okay, I'm
Add me if you're
gonna end the live stream. Thanks for watching, guys.